to my channel again. Please like the channel and subscribe for new future videos. Today I'm going to show you how you can make a paper camera. It's very easy. You only need papers. So let's get right into the video. For this you should need you can have 4 paper, 2 paper, and you should do is just fold the paper. Fold it very nicely, and it should be very nicely. Otherwise, it will have something. Your paper camera will not look neatly. And just do is just do it for the everything. Just tear it. But today now I will use scissors. Scissors also we can use, but I will use this. So just do it for everything, and you will be ready. Your papers should be like this. I'll show you. Your papers should be like this, and only you can continue for the next step. And the step 2 is we should do is make that papers like a house shape. Do it for the every papers, and friends, it's very easy to do. If you have concentration, you can study this. It's very easy. Do this for every papers. Now I've already done with this too, and I'll show you. Just do it like that. See, this is very easy. Should do is just do it again like this. I have already done this, so I'll just do is just do it like this and just fold like this. And this is just insert it very correctly and carefully, otherwise your camera will not look nicely. Just do it. And next is coloring. To do this, you should color the color pencils. The next thing is to do is color. It's a third step, but it's very easy to do. But I'm just gonna use color. You can use also color pencils and any color if you want. You can also use paint, and I'm gonna use oil pastels. The next thing to do is coloring. Now you don't want to get bored, friends, so that's why I'm gonna skip the video till the color finish. See, our camera looks just great. You can do is just take a camera, just make it's very nice. Now you can use any colors you want. You can use, now this is my drawing, but your drawing can be more beautiful. So I will see you in the next video.